Paano pag kayo na lang?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Bossing press conference. We have your Casey Galdones, Remy Palma, Coach Cody Chizalavara, General Cherry, and Rania Musa of the Petrocast Angels who won in straight sets against the Capital World Coach, congratulations on this win, your 7th straight win here in the All-Filipino. What can you say about how your team performed tonight?
Yes, today game was a good, everyone good performance. Before couple of games, it's so no good starting. But today, it's good start dash. So they could make a good result. Yes. And I appreciate Capital One team. Yes. So today was a good performance. Than last couple of games.
Thank you, Coach. And for Remy as team captain, gaano ka lang din ka-proud sa nabibuild na momentum ng team, especially getting into the next year?
Lagi naman pong nagre-reminded sa amin yung coaches na simulan talaga namin sa ensayo para magki-carry over lang lahat ng process na tinatrabaho namin sa training, coming to the game, para hindi kami, kumbaga parang hindi kami blinded na anong ilalaro namin. May idea kami, kailangan lang talagang i-apply yung ina-ensayo. So yung momentum na nakukuha namin is part din talaga ng process na kailangan mo na talagang trabahuin bago mo makuha yung resulta na hinihingi sa'yo. So yun nga, sobrang nakaka-proud din na lahat kami may nako-contribute every game, and also part din ng strategy ng coaches yun na mabigyan talaga lahat ng chance makapaglaro.
Thank you. And personally as a center, gaano ka lang din ka-proud sa nagiging performance ng team?
As a center, syempre sobrang proud kasi kita naman siguro na kahit hindi yung pasok, nag-perform ngayon, which is good sa team para sa mga upcoming games.
Thank you. And for Rania and Casey, unti-unti na rin kayo na-integrate ulit sa system after victory. So ano lang din yung feeling na yun nga, yung trust at the games?
Hindi. Sa akin lang, siguro malaking bagay yung binibigay sa amin ni Coach na tiwala. Kasi sa training, ayun nga, sobra-sobra kami. So, every training talaga is nilalaban namin yung chance namin makapag-play. So, parang ang laking sa amin na napili kami ipasok and ilaro po.
And for me po, yung thankful ako sa tiwala ni Coach and ng teammates ko na I know naman na like, kakabalik and all. Pero consistency lang yung kailangan kong i-ano sa sarili ko, and also yung tulong lang sa teammates. Yun.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Janelle, alam naman natin grabe yung firepower ng team with Myla and Brooke. Tapos yung lahat na ipasok, nagko-contribute. Para sa as a setter, paano mo lang binabalanse yung offense niyo?
Bunutan kung sino man po, medyo. Hindi po, siguro, kung sino yung magandang gising sa kanya ibigay, easy point.
For you naman, Rania, kamusta naman yung naging journey mo sa recovery? And para sa'yo, nasa ilang percent ka na, ngayon nakabalik ka na rin sa vending?
I think, medyo malayo pa ako. And also, day by day, hindi ko naman makukuha agad-agad yun. So, support lang at yung bigay na tiwala sa akin ng team, improve ko lang na kaya ko to. I-ano ko lang yung, yung tiwala na binibigay nila. Sige, oo. Sige, oo.
For Remy, 8-1 na kayo ngayon. Last time na nag-9-1 kayo was yung unang championship conference yung 2019. So between noon and ngayon, ano siguro yung constant pa rin sa Petrogas na kung ba may winning tradition pa rin talaga kayo hanggang ngayon as one of the top contenders, Steve?
Going back to 2019, I was not part of the team yet. I was on a different club team pa. Pero when I arrived in Petrogas, nandun na talaga yung winning culture ng team. So, it runs naman dun sa, yung napakita nila on the previous years. So, yung dumating kami, nandun din naman talaga yung eagerness na ipagpatuloy and also, yun nga, yung maintain and also improve yung winning tradition. Hindi naman din siya like ibibigay sa'yo eh. Hindi naman laging inaabot yung panalo. Nasa sa amin pa rin talaga kung paano namin siya, yun nga, gugugulin muna sa ensayo and also sa mga laro na darating. It's always one game at a time lang palagi yung mindset namin. Hindi kami laging nag-look forward dun sa mga future games kasi mahirap mag-jumble sa isip mo na, uy, ito yung kalaban natin sa mga gantong date. Kailangan talaga, sa training pa lang, sinisimulan talaga namin pag-aralan kung sino lang yung kasunod na kalaban. So, yun, sobrang nakakatuwa na nandito kami sa standing na to, pero syempre, kaakibat din nun is yung kailangan pa mas magtrabaho kami kasi hindi dumadali yung mga paparating na laro. Mas pabigat na ng pabigat, lalo na malapit na rin tayo sa next round, paparating na next round, mas may hirap na yung kalaban, mas tataas na yung level ng laro. So kailangan kami rin isusunod din namin. Kumbaga dapat mag-match up din yung ipe-perform namin dun sa mga susunod na mga laro na darating.
So add to that lang for Janelle and Remy din. At 8-1 ang closest competition of win line and then 7-game win streak kayo sa ngayon. Anong dinadala ng Petrogas to every game na it seems like everything's working or somehow nakikip talaga yung team kahit sinong makatapat? Anong masasabi?
Siguro mas open communication lang kami yun. Like, pag may nakita kami agad na problem, pag-uusapan agad yun. Hindi pwedeng ipagbabukas or something ganun. Tsaka siguro yung donut. The donut is expensive, right?
Yes, expensive.
Yung donut talaga.
Every game nagbabay siya ng donut.
Meron ako yung feng shui. Ay, hindi, joke. Joke lang yun, pero kasama yun sa paniniwala.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive. Because Coach Koji buys the donut for us. Like 5 boxes of donuts every game. Joke. Ano yung tanong? Ayun nga, dagdag lang dun sa sinabi nga ni Janelle. Kahit sa ensayo pa lang, kasi minsan, meron talagang araw na off ka. So, hindi naman namin pwedeng pabayaan lang na iset aside yon. Kasi minsan, dun nagsisimula yung mga small na problema. Small lapses. So, okay, sige, sagutin mo. Sorry. Hello? So, yun po, balik tayo. Lagi naman namin na binibigyan talaga ng time mag-share yung mga bata na kung meron kayong concern, pag-usapan natin. From there, gawa natin ang paraan. If kayang solusyonan within the mga players muna, okay, mas mabuti. Pag hindi naman, i-reach out namin sa mga coaches. And then also, from there, kailangan talaga namin na open communication. Yun talaga lagi yung solusyon eh. Even sa loob ng court, kapag bagsak yung communication, hindi talaga kami magkakaintindihan. And also, wala kami mabubuong chemistry. So siguro, yun lang din talaga yung kailangan pa naming mas trabahuin para mas maging flawless.
For Coach and Remy, I know that each team has its own culture when it comes to their training. But it's interesting that you've mentioned about the donut. So, do you think, is there any changes when it comes to the way that they practice whenever you bring the treats to them?
Okay.
But donut is the energy food.
Sugar.
Too much sugar.
Too much sugar. Charing. That's why.
So,
Love kami ng coach namin.
so if they want to eat, okay, happy. So do best. I'm also happy.
May kwento po kasi dyan eh. Noong una talaga, parang somehow, ayaw niya yung culture nga namin na pag training or game, kumakain kami. Ngayon, siguro, na-adapt na niya yung culture na Pilipino tayo eh. We love food, guys. Alam naman natin yan. So, yun. Tapos nagulat din kami. Nagdala na siya ng pagkain, ng donut, ng kung ano man, pag binibigay. So, sabi namin, uy, parang ilang percent Pilipino na rin si Coach. Kumbaga, parang siya rin, nalalove na niya yung culture na meron tayo. Pero, yun nga, parang tayo kasi, di ba, nakagawian na natin na kumain or mag-share ng food. So, siya rin, somehow, na-adapt na niya yung ganong mindset and also yung culture ng Pinoy.
Before we had a nutritious food seminar before game because everyone know eat chocolate, donuts, hamburger, anything. But this is not nutritious food, energy food. So asked the lecture. So now stop the hamburger, chocolate, anything. Now stop. So everyone little bit change the mind. So they will more change the mind or heart thinking, so they can improve. And my team have 7 middle player. 7, too many, 7. But one player injury. So now Rania and Casey now too much every day. They are aggressive. So I made a competition work in the team. Now MJ, Ram, Joy, Rania, or Casey, Ethan, they will more competition work. They will, my team is more improve. So I expect my team middle player. Yeah. So today, call to this player. But I have a request to middle player. They need more serve practice.
Let's go, Joy.
Best in short ball.
For Rania and Casey, siguro ano lang masasabi niyo dun sa yung ganung competition nga within the team?
Yes po, yun nga po na we have 7 medals, or as of now, 6 medals. Healthy competition. Yung healthy competition naman din, nakakatulong din sa team. And also, mas mag-improve yung team. And yun. Yes po.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yung sa akin lang po, siguro, kasi yun nga, madaming medals. So, ang mindset ko na hindi ako basta-bastang magpapatalo. Yan, friendly competition nga, pero may ano ko parang sa akin, ay, mas bata ako sa kanila, so mas kaya ko.
Casey is now 24 years old, right?
25 coach.
25 years old. 27. Difference age. But difference body style. 25 players are too younger. They can focus to her play, focus. But Rania difference. She can focus to her play. And thinking, the teamwork. So difference age. So I don't know which one we will up to there.
Coach, your next game will be against Galleries Tower. So how will the momentum that you've built help you guys into that game?
Yes. After I must check the video after return home. Yes. But now I can't say. But always we do best. My team want to win, but opponent team also want to win. Do best always. So after check the video, so I have to think the tactics or strategy. Yeah. Do best.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Remy. Thank you, Casey. Thank you, Vanessa.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Donut.